what makes rendang so delicious. Voted as the most delicious food in the world, not once but twice by CNN readers, this is one of the most popular dishes from Indonesia, beef rendang. Rendang originates from West Sumatra, Indonesia. But here is something many people don't actually know. Rendang was not originally just a name of a dish. It was actually a cooking technique. The word rendang comes from merandang or randang, which means slowly, as it takes a long time to complete the cooking process. Most people know rendang as a beef dish, but since rendang basically is a cooking method, there are various kinds of rendang. There is rendang itik or duck rendang, rendang belut or eel rendang, rendang pensi, scallop rendang, rendang ayam, chicken rendang. But of course, the most famous one, the one that won the title of the most delicious dish in the world, is beef rendang. So, why is rendang so delicious? What makes rendang stand out compared to other beef dishes around the world? The first one is rich flavor. The basic ingredients of rendang is meat and coconut milk, which is rich in protein and fat. The dish also uses a wide variety of herbs and spices like garlic, red chilies, pepper, lemongrass, ginger, galangal, star anise, kaffir lime leaves, even asam candies. The combination of sweet, spicy, and salty creates layers of flavors. Second is memorable aroma. Rendang spices such as turmeric, galangal, cinnamon, lemongrass, bay leaves, and star anise contain compounds with volatile aromatics. This creates the dish's unique and unforgettable aroma. Next is slow cooking. Beef is cooked slowly for hours, sometimes up to 8 hours, until the sauce reduces and cooks the meat. As heat reduces, the flavor concentrates and natural sugar caramelizes, giving its signature dark and rich taste. During this process, the fibers of the meat break down until it becomes tender, almost melt in your mouth. The next one is Maillard reaction. The macro component in the food always come together, such as protein, fat, and carbohydrate. As we know, when amino acid from protein reacts with reduction sugar from carbohydrate, Maillard reaction occurs. This reaction can contribute to create a deep, almost smoky flavor. In the end, what makes rendang so delicious is not only the beef, or the spices, or the cooking method, but also what happened behind the process.